Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can translate a document in any language using Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my document, and if we want to translate a document, first thing first, we need to go to the tools menu, and here we can simply tap on translate document. Okay, and then I'm going to translate my document to English. So here I'm just going to select English, and then we can click on translate. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the translation has been created. Okay, now it's done. This is the English translation of my article. But if the translate option doesn't appear on the tools menu, I recommend you to change the format of your document. I'm going to show you another type of document. Okay, this is the document with Microsoft Word format. So the translate button or the translate option doesn't appear on the tools, as you can see. So if this case or if this problem happened to your Google Docs, I recommend you to change the format. You can copy all the text you have to the new document in Google Docs, then you will be able to translate it. Alright guys, and that's all the way to translate a document in any language using Google Docs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.